Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, before you get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Additionally, if you can find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you get that, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. So right over here, push it in. And as you can see, once you take out the tray, you'll have space for just a single SIM card. So you want to place it on here, make sure that it's laying flat on the tray, as you can see. And from there, insert it back into the device. And the card should start working immediately, which you can see right here. Enter SIM pin. And there we go. And it's already working. So that is how you'd insert your SIM card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.